800 watts, 20 litres, turn to 25 centimetre turntable, auto defrost, auto program, child lock, so you can't microwave your children with this. So this is replacing a Russell Hobbs microwave, which, as you can see, it's kind of all corroded inside under the table. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate this with a cup of water, and it makes a horrible noise. So, yeah, thanks. It makes a scraping noise. Worse than that. It does get worse than that. But the last one to this, something popped in it. It exploded. There was smoke coming out of it. So Russell Hobbs, who apparently are based in Oldham, up north. So if you want British made stuff that lasts about 2 years, that corrodes, that explodes, get a Russell Hobbs microwave. So taking a look at the front of the microwave, auto defrost, high, medium, low, warm, micro power. The buttons, they're not really buttons. I think it's touch sensitive, so this is going to get dirty, but I guess you can just wipe it down. You've got this button here. I was going to say there was no printed manuals, but here they are. So you get a beautiful manual there telling you what you've got. And this is all in cardboard. Around the back we've got, this appliance must be earthed, do not open, no user serviceable parts inside, to be serviced only by service technical trained by manufacturers. Disconnect from mains before servicing. Panasonic Corp, Osaka, Japan. So that's not Oldham. I don't know, I think Japan is maybe a bit more of a hotbed of technical quality stuff. So I've just been trying it out. What you've got to do, I think, is just select micro power. There is a delay when you press it. It's sort of like that. It's crap. I think you've got to actually press it in with your thumb, like that. Well, actually, yeah, that's okay. And then 1 minute, starts. And it starts. There we go. Cancel. So they are actually a button. There's a light button behind it. I guess it's designed to only last a couple of years before the buttons wear out. So 30 minutes is the max. 1 minute. 1 minute. So we've got 10 seconds intervals. You've got to select micro power. Select that on high. 10 seconds, 20, 34. So that goes up to 50, and then you can start. Stop. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10 say 1 minute, 2 minutes I've done. 2 minutes. Auto reheat. I don't know what any of this is, but there we go. So yeah, not the best, I don't think. I don't like the buttons. I mean, you just got to sort of, they don't feel like buttons. So I don't know, maybe get something else.